Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 2 from exercise number 3.1. Our question is, how many diagonals does each of the following have? So how many diagonals they are asking. So first we must know the formula for number of diagonals for a polygon. So number of diagonals, we have a formula. Number of diagonals equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. So this is your number of diagonals formula. Here that n is nothing but number of sides. N is nothing but, here n denotes number of sides for the given diagram. So n is number of sides we can say. So here the first question, convex quadrilateral. Convex means all the angles are less than 180 degree. So we have to take a four-sided figure. So I am taking a four-sided figure. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure. Convex means all the angles are less than 180. So for this diagram, how many diagonals it will be having? That is our question. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of side n is equal to 4. Then diagonals equal to diagonal, we have a formula n into n minus 3 by 2. Here in the place of n, what we should substitute? 4. So let's substitute now. 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. That is 4 into 4 minus 3 will become 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 1s are 2. So how many diagonals it will be having? Only 2. Diagonal is nothing but the line joining the two non-consecutive vertices. So we have 4 vertices in this diagram. So these two vertices are consecutive. That means continuous vertices. Continuous vertices joined, that will be called as a side. When we are joining the non-consecutive vertices, that will be called as diagonal. So how many diagonals it's having? 2. That's why we are getting 2 here. We'll move on to the next problem now. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6-sided figure. So hexagon means 6-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you are drawing and finding, means from this vertex you can draw here, here and here. 3 we can make it. From here also, except the consecutive one, all the remaining places should be joined in this way. Like this, from all the diagonal we have to draw. Then finally we should add it, how many we will be having it. So this will take time to draw it, then we have to count it. Better we can go for the formula method. Hexagon, number of sides equal to 6. So n is equal to 6 you take. Then diagonal formula, n into n minus 3 by 2. So here what is our n value? 6. So 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2 we are getting. So here 6 into 3. 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2. So 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So what we are getting? 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So the hexagon will be having 9 diagonals in this. That's all your problem here. Triangle. So triangle, we all know that it's a three-sided figure. So we can't draw any diagonal in this diagram because we have only 3 vertices. So if you are joined from here, this is a consecutive vertex. From joined from here also consecutive vertex. We don't have any non-consecutive vertices. Consecutive means continuous. So both are continuous. For this one, this is continuous. This is also continuous only. So we don't have the non-consecutive vertices. So we can say that number of diagonals equal to 0. We don't have any diagonals for the figure triangle. So to find the diagonal, at least the diagram should have 4 sides. Then only we can find the diagonals for the particular diagram. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, this is diagonal is 0. Its a side is 3. N is equal to 3 and number of diagonal is 0. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.